3:45 p.m. 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near North Chicago, Union Park City around 3:15 p.m. Waukegan, Highland Park, Beach Park in Wadsworth around 3:20 p.m. Zion and Winthrop Harbor around 3:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Old Mill Creek, Highwood, around Lake Beach, Lake Bluff, Indian Creek, Middellah, Fox Lake Hills, and Zanesville, including the following interstates. Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 24. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 24. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 o'clock p.m.